Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can log back into Monopoly Go. But first, you just need to make sure that your Monopoly Go is connected on your Facebook, Google Play Store, or Apple ID. So to find that, you just need to tap on the three lines right there at the top right hand corner of your screen. And basically here, just tap on the settings. And then we're going to tap on the connect account. So from here, make sure to connect your Facebook or your Google Play Store or Apple ID. Once done, so for the sake of the video here, I just want to clear all my data on Monopoly Go. So I'm going back to my home screen and I'm going to look for the Monopoly Go icon. So basically from here, so tap and hold on that Monopoly Go and then we're going to app info. So from here, as you can see, you just need to tap on the clear data. So I'm just going to tap on clear cache and then I'm also going to clear all data. Once done here, go back to my home screen and I'm going to reopen this Monopoly Go app. Then you just have to wait for a few seconds right from here and then you're going to tap on this I agree button to start your Monopoly Go. And basically, you just have to tap on the play with friends using your Facebook account. So I recommend you to connect to your Facebook so you can be easy to log back into your Monopoly Go. So from here, as you can see, you just need to wait for a few seconds here, confirming your Facebook account on Monopoly Go. And here, as you can see, save account found. We found a save account for you. So please choose which account to continue with. So as you can see, I have an account which is WoW account. So I'm going to tap on this OK button and tap on load account. So we're going to wait again for a few seconds. And finally here, we have just logged back into our Monopoly Go. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.